GtmSmart Machinery Co. Ltd. is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, sales and service. Our factory covers an area of 8,000 square meters. We are mainly engaged in automatic thermoforming machines suitable for head, PP, PS, PLV, HIPS, RPET, HDPE, OX, and other materials. The molded products can be used in food packaging, toy packaging, hardware packaging, and other industries. Accurate feeding, intelligent heating, forming and cooling, precise cutting, and finally vertical stacking through the robot arm. The products are exquisite, and we can provide customers with proofing services, friendly user interface, convenient for engineers to operate. The flat mold table facilitates more efficient application output. The machines with superior performance and high-quality after-sales service have won us praise from customers. We have a professional and experienced sales and technical team, and we will never stop on the way of pursuing excellence. At present, our customers are involved in the Middle East, America area, Southeast Asia, and Africa. We hope to achieve more together with you.